have this 2-gallon electric sprayer right here. I needed this because the Hart sprayer died on me. Don't know why. We have an extension. Alright, so here goes your trigger, and this is where you charge it. Charging port right there, USB Type-C. We have some power in it already. Word of advice when you're using the glue, just make sure you wash out your tank very thoroughly. You got all of these nozzle heads. That's pretty cool. This is regular. This one is a single sprayer. Cross our handle on. Oh, this spray is good. So this spray is good, you guys. I am going to show you the other nozzle. So you saw how this one sprayed out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and it extends. So you don't need to get real close. Right there. All right. All right, so should be the single shot. This is good if you're doing like bug spray on your edges of your house. So if you have bug spray. Oh. Let me see. You could turn the head and then you can use it as bug spray. All right. And then you could turn it back and you can use it as a regular sprayer. So this one is good. This one might be like an everyday one for me. Okay. We have this weird gear one. All right. And here we go. Okay, so this one comes out. This one comes out like a garden hose. All right, so I probably won't be using this one, me personally. I don't need to use this. I will use the other one. I'm wasting a lot right now because I got tomorrow to spray round 2. So yep, I'm going to go ahead, take it apart, clean it up, clean up the outside, clean up the line. Any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.